I just got off work.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Medina County, Bandera County, southeastern Cook County, southwestern Kendall County until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Medina, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour.
Look at that.
60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Oh, it's just about to get ready to go to bed.
Locations impacted include Medina, Bernie, Bandera, Tarpley, Walnut Grove, Lake Hills, Camp Verde, Bandera Falls, Mico, Pipe Creek, Nelson City, Kremkoski State Natural Area, Hill Country State Natural Area, Center Point, and Lake Medina Shores. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large
11:35 at night, y'all.
And continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
I am all ready for work now, so. Look at him. Hey guys, so I was looking through the pantry and I found this. Completely forgot that I wanted this because this is like new Campbell's chunky ghost pepper chicken noodle. So toss that in the garbage. Put it in the microwave, put this shit on it. But yeah, here's what the soup looks like. Now I'm gonna try some for y'all. Bon appetit. Take this. Oh shit. It's spicy. I should probably try a spoon. That's very spicy. It's really good. It's spicy.
Member shoutouts: Stay Puffed 698, They Call Me Cam, Killer Turkish, Trousers J, Jonathan J. Jones, Excitable Tyrannosaurus, Matt. If you want a shout out and early content, become a member today by clicking the link in the description below.